Hello, welcome to our channel. I am CG Max. Today, we are going to help you to unlock your problem solving skill with Max Olympiad questions. These challenging problems are designed to test your mathematical abilities and push you to think outside the box. So, let's get started. Mathematics Olympiad questions are not your typical Max problem, they require a deeper understanding and mathematical concept and the ability to apply them creatively. These questions are designed to challenge even bright minds, but with a right strategy, anyone can solve them. So, here, as you are going to solve, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it out. Okay, the challenging question is if x plus y plus z, x over y plus z plus y over x plus z plus z over x plus y equal to 1, then find the value of x square over y plus z plus y square over x plus z plus z square over x plus y is equal to how much? So those who are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will really appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, how to solve this problem? There are many ways to solve this problem. So here we are doing in some critical and logical way. So here what are given x, y and z. So let us take x plus y plus z is equal to a. Let x plus y plus z is equal to a. Now the given equation will be a minus y plus z by y plus z plus a minus x plus z by x plus z plus a minus x plus y by x plus y is equal to 1 now. So you are changing the first equation in this form. So here if you write this in one form, a by y plus z minus 1 plus a by x plus z minus 1 plus a by x plus y minus 1 is equal to 1. Now here what will get, if you take a common, 1 by y plus z plus 1 by x plus z plus 1 by x plus y minus 3 is equal to 1. Sending to that side. Now 1 by y plus z plus 1 by x plus z plus 1 by x plus y is equal to 4 by a. This value will come 4 here into a is there, you will get 4 by a. Let it be 1 now. Okay, now we have taken that x plus y plus z is equal to a. From this you can write as x is equal to a minus of y plus z. Now squaring on both sides. So here you want x square by y plus z, that's what you are doing. X square is equal to a square minus 2a into y plus z plus y plus z whole square. Squaring on both sides. Here you are writing a square minus 2ab plus b square. Huh? So from this, if you divide with y plus z, x square plus y plus z is equal to a square over y plus z minus 2a plus of y plus z. So here you are getting x square plus y plus z. So that is required here. Similarly, y square by x plus z is equal to a square by x plus z minus 2a plus x plus z. And the third one, z square by x plus y is equal to a square by x plus y minus 2a plus x plus y. Let us take it as 2, 3 and 4. So according to the problem, you have to add these 3. 2 plus 3 plus 4. You will get the problem. X square by y plus z plus y square by x plus z plus z square by x plus y is equal to, here you can take a square common in all the terms, 1 by y plus z plus 1 by x plus z plus 1 by x plus y minus 6a plus 2 into x plus y plus z. So here 2 times you'll get x value, y value, z value. So if you substitute the values here, a square into, already you got this value as 4 by a minus 6a plus already you have taken x plus y plus z as 2a. So a get cancelled. So here you are getting 6a minus 6a. We are getting 0. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching INCG Max Olympiad.